Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to my space, whether it's morning, afternoon, or night. We're going to be checking out the game called Alien Worlds on the AVAX network. And I just wanted to start off because the reason why I'm showing this game off and looking into this game is because we stumbled upon this little tweet here not long ago about some of the top play to earn games by active users, and Alien Worlds far exceeds all these other games. So I supposed that there would be some good earnings, like people really loved the game. So we're gonna check it out now and just see if here in the bear market in July there are still people playing and earning pretty good from it. So there is a quick little video here. I'm not gonna watch that, but basically you can mine on planets. You can go on missions using the trillium that you mine, and each of these ships that you send on a mission represents so much trillium, and will bring back even more trillium from these missions that you can send them on. We use the AVAX network and also the Binance and Ethereum smart chains here. You can exchange your trillium between these networks. So here's the game basics. Alien Worlds is an NFT metaverse where you can play with unique digital items, NFTs. Staking, players stake trillium to planets to vote in the upcoming planetary elections, as well as to increase the planet's reward pool. So this helps the earnings from each of the planets that you mine on. Planet DAOs participate in weekly elections for council candidates, submit proposals on how to distribute the planetary treasury, or run for planetary council yourself. So there's diverse, very interesting economics that go on with each of the planets. Trade game cards. Players may select NFT game cards for their strategy on Binance Smart Chain and Wax to be used for mining, fighting missions. And there's a cross-chain bridge, teleporting your TLM between Binance and Wax and Ethereum. And then the NFTs. So these NFTs are like shovels, drills, things that help you mine on the planets. There is a rarity to them, and then they can also become shiny. So there's 5 levels of shininess, and basically if you upgrade that, that helps it earn you a little bit more. The land is a series of NFTs in Alien Worlds, which represents parcels of land on the planets. If you own, you can either mine yourself or charge people to mine on your land for a commission. There are the tools that we were mentioning. Everyone's given a free shovel to begin with at the beginning, but its mining power is very limited. You might find other tools in your adventures around the metaverse, or if you're very lucky, you may find one while mining. So there is a very a lucky chance of finding NFTs while you're playing the game. Different tools have different strengths and weaknesses. For example, a Glaver disc is good for finding NFTs, and a lucky drill will mine much more efficiently than a standard drill. Note you can use up to 3 tools at a time, and read more about tools there. So trillium is what you earn by mining and going on missions in Alien Worlds. So Trillium is a cross-chain ERC20, BEP20, and Wax fungible token that connects to the metaverse and allows for a transfer of value and voting in planet DAOs. You earn Trillium in the mining game, and by staking Trillium to a planet DAO to vote in that planet's elections. Before we go any further in the video, I just wanted to update you guys with some disclaimers that every video should have, apparently, and tell you guys that I am not a financial advisor. Be sure to invest only the money that you can afford to lose. Don't invest any money that you should need to live on, pay bills with. I'm not recommending any of that. And do your own research, guys. All right, stay safe out there. So even today, according to their homepage here, it says that this is the largest decentralized game on Earth. The DApp rankings and statistics rate this as the #1 game by active users in the last 30 days, and second in all DApps by users in the last 30 days. So it's still a very popular game. There's still a lot of people playing this. And then here's all the socials. You can go check it out. You can join their Discord, their Twitch, Telegram, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, and others here. Okay. So whenever you do connect to Alien Worlds, it will require you to get a Wax wallet. So you'll have to set up your Wax wallet, and it gives you a little address here, kind of like sort of like a MetaMask. You'll get a little wallet here, and that will allow you to connect to the game. When you do log in and load the display of the game, this is basically what it looks like. You'll go to select a different planet. Each of the planets have lots of other lands that you could be mining from, and currently I'm mining on Cavian. That's just the land that I ended up on. I don't know if it's the best one or not. There are probably better lands out there. If I wanted to just go ahead and switch my land, here's the list of other lands that I could be mining from. And so you can see here that the energy multiplier is different, as well as the mining, the chance at finding rare NFTs is different. But as you can see up here at the top, this is the commission subtracted from your mining reward to be paid to the landowner. So the landowner is taking 25% from you if you mine on this world. 20% over here, only 7% over here. But that doesn't necessarily mean that this is the better place to mine at. Sometimes these landowners have set up, or I should say, some of these land owners are actually controlled by guilds, and there are different rewards that they can set up using smart contracts for the people that mine on their lands. So you could be earning a guild token by mining here, even though they're taking 25% of the trillium you're mining, and earning off of their land. You're getting these hidden rewards that you wouldn't know about unless you like went and researched who the Unreal Worlds is on Cavian. And maybe they have a guild, maybe they have a Discord, and they do like different NFT drawings or giveaways to wallet addresses that actually mine on their land. So that it's very interesting. You'll have to definitely research that as well. But just on the surface here, if you just wanted to play the game and not get involved with any of the guilds or the governance and economics there, then yes, this land over here only takes 7% of your trillium mining. So perhaps you would want to stick with one of those, or like this one that gives that only takes 3%. Here's one that's 1%. But each of these has a different luck value in when you could find NFTs off of their land. Somehow the landowner dictates all of these values. So you can look here and see on Cavian, there's a total of 99,641 TLM. People are earning about 1.2759 TLMs a second, I believe is what that means. So it's It's a very interesting game. In order to mine and mine more efficiently, you do need to stake some wax in these resources. You have CPU, you have net, and you have RAM. And so according to this, you'll mine more efficiently when you have more of everything. Currently, I use up RAM every single action, I believe, and then the CPU and the net, you don't have to stake as much into. But if you want to stake more into your RAM, that basically gives you more actions per day, is what I can gather off of that. And then the items are really cheap. You start out with a basic avatar in the game, and they give you a basic shovel. So a standard shovel. This is another one that I bought off the marketplace. If you do want to go check out the marketplace, there will be a link in the description below, but it'll be wax.atomichub.io, and then you'll just search for Alien Worlds, and that will bring you to the Alien Worlds NFTs, much like OpenSea. And as you can see here, even some of these cheaper listings, you can get even shovels for, let's go to the lowest. Tools is, you can click on that, and that brings you to the standard shovel, which is currently at 0.006 cents, 0.05 wax, and there are more expensive tools. If you're interested in actually buying one of these lands, they are quite a bit. You can still buy some of these lands. Let's look at the lowest prices here. As little as $1,600 in wax. And this is one of those rocky deserts on Cavian. $1,711 mountains on Magor. If you needed to trade or buy any of your Trillium, you can go to alcor.exchange, which is a DEX for the Wax network. And you can do swaps or trading between your currencies here. And there will be a link in my description below for that. And so now we're just going to go ahead and click mine. So once you've selected your planet, once you've selected your land, you have some tools. You just click the mining button. You'll click claim, and it will ask you to approve that transaction with your wallet. And there we have it. I've mined 0.0104 trillium. And depending on your tools, the efficiency, how much you've staked, how much RAM you've got, there will be a cooldown timer, and you could be earning more trillium than what I am based on your tools and your efficiencies here. And all that is going to be based on, again, that those wax resources, depending on how much you've bought, you've staked to gain more there. If we go to the shining tab, this is where you'll upgrade your equipment's shine to help you out in the game. On the governance tab, this is where you'll stake some of your trillium with the planet itself. The more you stake with the planet, the more yield people can actually earn from the planet. That actually helps the planet's yield. But it'll also allow you to participate in governance. In this teleport tab is actually to teleport between your wax and the Binance Smart Chain. the reason you would want to do this is because the Binance Smart Chain supports the missions that you can go on and take place in. So if we go ahead and click that tab, we can see that you'll need a MetaMask and be connected to the Binance Smart Chain, which I believe we are. And now we can see the missions that we could take place in. All of these missions in red have already started. This one's departed, right? There are 34,904 spacecrafts that have participated in this mission. And so if they all win some rewards, this 13,000 will be split. This 13,000 will be split among all of those spacecrafts that were departed there. And then this one starts in 52 minutes. So there's already 51,720 spacecrafts here departing on this one. These are much cheaper missions to get involved with. This little rarity icon usually means that it's cheaper to get involved with this. So current Trillium reward per spacecraft going is 0.29. Let's see. If I joined the mission, it would cost 40 trillium. So I need 40 trillium to go and get 0.29 trillium back for my efforts. And it'll be gone for a week. Yeah. So 1 week, so 7 days. It's like staking some of your trillium to get a little bit of a return. And then down here, you can see that the more rare missions do give a little bit better rewards. This one's a lot better rewards, but it's going to be a lot more expensive to go send some of your trillium and funds to, and those will be gone for 4 weeks. And there you have it. That is basically the rundown on Alien Worlds and its basics. There's probably better guides out there, probably people that have been playing this game and in this economy a lot longer that know a lot more. I will probably learn more as I continue playing and getting familiar with the game. But I've only started with $5 and I can put more into the game. So basically, in order to set up your Wax wallet, if you've never set up one before, you need to put money into the wallet basically to fund the wallet, and that's how you get started on the Wax network anyways. So I just used that $5 to help stake a few trillium and buy a couple tools for 9 cents, $3, and get started with Alien Worlds. And then I could use a little bit more money to stake a little bit more, get some more CPU, some RAM, and maybe mine more times per day and mine more efficiently. Sometimes whenever you mine, let's see if it does it right now, it will give me an error message whenever I go to claim because I don't have enough staked to be able to continuously mine all day long. But it's not doing that for me right now. So normally there's like a little pop-up down here in the bottom right. And so the game does incentivize you to try to stake more of your wax with the network so you can gain a little bit of an edge, a little bit more bonus here with the game and mining your trillium. But you can do what I did and literally just start with $5. That may be the slower route to go. You might be able to earn more if you staked more, if you put more into the game. Not financial advice, but that could be a possibility. The people who actually own the lands from what it looks like, actually have the biggest advantage. So if you're a guild, if you're a landowner, if you want to buy one of these lands, the fact that there's so many players still interested in playing this game, as we saw, then you know that there's people probably going to be mining on all of these lands, experimenting with different guilds, different resources, and you could probably earn a little bit of your money back just by owning the lands passively, which might be something that you're interested in if you find my videos and are looking at some of these games and some of these investment opportunities. I, for one, don't want to put $1,600, $1,700 into a land, at least at this current moment in time, in this game. But maybe down the line, that becomes something that I might be interested in, just to figure out just what kind of ROI the landowners actually earn here. But for $5, I'm not earning that much Trillium. I believe the Trillium price is just under 3 cents per coin at the current moment in time, which isn't much. So I haven't even earned 3 cents back since I've started playing. And if my investment's $5, then maybe after a month worth of playing this, I can get 1 or 2% of my money back. We'll see. We'll see just how active I am in this game, just how much Trillium I can earn in a month, and go from there. But this is a very active game. There's big communities, big discords if you find them. And so if you're interested in NFTs, NFT gaming, and cryptocurrency, lots of these discords and guilds and communities are very friendly. They're very helpful. They'll help you out. Some of them even offer tools that they will loan you to get started with the game, to get up and running, to help you out. And that also benefits them if you're mining on their lands, if they're a guild that owns one of these lands. So I highly encourage you, if you want to check this game out, look for one of these communities, look for one of these landowners that has a specific name, and you might be able to Google that name and find a Discord that they're associated with, or a website that they're associated with, and go from there. So until next time, we'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video till the end. If you're new to this channel, I just wanted to make sure to direct you to some of the important information here, such as our Discord community page, which is found in the description below. Also, if you're interested in the investment ROI calculators that I helped to build so you can make better investment decisions, there's a link for that as well in my description below to my Google Sheet that I have developed. And we have an amazing and helpful community here and are hyped for the NFT gaming. And if you're into NFT gaming or crypto investing and need a place to hang out and chat, then you won't find a better community of people to be involved with. I'm TerranLivesMatter, and we are all here to help you be as successful as you can be. So do your own research, only invest what you can afford, and stay safe out there. Thank you.
Welcome to my own space. 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 Welcome to my own space.